Hi everyone, let's talk about what to do in a changing market, because we are definitely in one. And I think it's very important to talk about, not just with your clients, but with your coworkers and everything else, about what's going on in the current market. One of the first tips I have, though, is to be positive. I've been through 3 downturns in a market and still practiced great real estate and made a great living. So attitude is number one about what I'm going to tell you on how to handle a changing market. Attitude is very important. It's very important for you to have a great attitude when working with your clients. The number 2 thing in working in a changing market is know your numbers. And what do I mean by that? That means know statistics, know what's going on in your market. Months of inventory is very, very important. Knowing that is key in helping your client. The third bit of information to share with you is also to be able to go through a client and tell them about the market, and if you need to educate them because they're still stuck back in the market where things were selling in the first weekend, and we all know that a lot of that has changed in most areas of town, that you actually pull some articles and some other information besides those statistics to share with them, to show that there are other sources who agree with what you're telling them as a professional. Lastly, it is very important when you go through a home with a client to talk to them about the negatives just as well as the positives. That helps create the right mindset. Now, all of these are good for both buyers and sellers. Ultimately, what I have to tell you about this changing market is it's still a great real estate market. And going back to the number one thing about attitude is having that attitude is important. It's always important to remember there's win-win in every situation. And everything in real estate always comes full cycle. I'm Missy Stegers, broker owner of M. Stegers Realty Partners, and if we can answer questions or help you in any way, please feel free to reach out.